Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll do a very interesting concept of time and work called the alternate concept. Okay, and you get questions from this on a regular basis. Now please understand what is alternate concept. Okay, how to approach these type of questions. Please understand this is nothing but the the efficiency based questions. This is just an extension of that, just a variant, just a type of that. Okay, so let me make you guys understand by taking a simple example. Let's say there are two persons, there is A and there is B. A can complete a particular task in 20 days and B can complete the same task, let's say that is in 25 days. Now what the question is saying, let's say they have decided that they will do this work or they will do this task on an alternate basis. They will not do this together. So I'm starting with A, meaning A will do the task first. Like first day A will work, second day A will not, A will take rest, B will work. Third day again A will come and B will take rest. Fourth day again this will be the pattern. This is going to be the pattern. So now if they work like this, then how much time will they take in order to complete this whole job? That is the question, right? Let's understand. So before I can go into this concept, I need what? Again, whatever I need for any efficiency based questions, I need their individual efficiencies, two things. Individual efficiencies, individual efficiencies, and the second is the total work, sir. Now, whether you are more accustomed to LCM method, then you will find total work first, then the efficiencies. I like to go by the ratios. So in that case, I'll find the efficiencies first, then the total work. Both are fine. Again, how to do that, sir? So time ratio between A and B. A here and B here. Time ratio given as 20 and 25. 20 is to 25, meaning 5 fives are this, 5 fours are this. So efficiency ratio is the opposite. So it will be 5 is to 4. Meaning I can say A can do 5 units a day and B can do 4 units a day. And what is the total work, sir, in that case? Total work will be, I'm taking A. You can, if you want, you can take B, you will get the same thing. A can do 5 units a day and A is taking 20 days to complete. So that means every day 5 units, in 20 days 100 units. So that is your total work, sir. Now, once you have done till this much, so both these points I have figured out. Now you just stop. Now the real game begins. The concept begins. This much was common. This is common for all the questions, literally. Now what you need to do in case of alternate questions, you need to make packets. You need to make packets. So what are the conditions of making packets? There is only one simple condition. It needs, every packet must be identical. Every packet must look identical, sir. Identical meaning, you see, if I take the packets like this, if I take next packet, next packet, next packet, sir, are my packets identical? The answer is yes. You see, 2 days each I'm taking. I'm taking every packet is of 2 days each. One day A is working, second day B is working. And how much work is being done in every packet, sir? In every packet, A is completing 5 units, B is completing 4 units, meaning 9 units of work is being completed every packet. Now, you need to understand how many packets do you need. Now, what is the condition there? How many packets should I take so that I get very, very close to my total work, but just less than that? I cannot go beyond 100 units. I have to be like kind of less than 100 units, but again, as close to as 100 possible. You will say in these situations, 9. So if can I say, if I take 11 such packets, if I take 11 such packets, that will imply I have done 11 into 9, 99 units of work. But the whole job is not yet complete. I still have 1 unit to do. I still have 1 unit to do, sir. Now ask yourself this question, who will do this 1 unit? Who will, who will do this? This is the question that you need to ask yourself. Now look at this. Every time a packet ends, every time a particular packet ends, next day who comes to work, sir? Next day A comes to work because A had started. So this 1 unit, can I say, will be done by A, sir? Now A can do 5 units in a day. So 1 unit to complete this A will take 1 by 5 days. So what is the total time of completion? You will say, sir, chill. The total time of completion was 11 packets. That means every packet is of 2 days. So total 11 into 2 days plus at the end I needed another 1 by 5 days. Another 1 by 5 meaning 22 whole 1 by 5 days. That is your correct answer, sir. That is most definitely your correct answer. You please see what I'm saying. This is how you solve. This is how you solve your question. This is how you approach. Now, sir, what happens? What would have happened if instead of A, the work was started by B? So in that case, nothing would have happened like extra. You see, the pattern would have been B, A, B, A, B, A, and so on. So meaning the change would have been same thing. I would have taken 11 packets only. Just this last 1 unit in that case would have been done by not A but B. And B would have taken 1 by 4 days to complete that. Why? Because B can do 4 units a day. So 1 unit will be 1 by 4. In that case, the answer would have been 22. 22 whole 1 by 4 days. That's the answer. If B was the person who started the work. That's the only change. Again, have the crystal clear idea about this, whatever is going on. This is very simple question. I've only taken 2. But again, they can give you 3 people as well. Again, we'll do such questions. But again, understand the concept first. Then only we can move to that level of questions and you will not have problems. A question like this. A question like this. Again, this is not a proper alternate type question because again, you can apply. Again, I told you the best shortcut out there is your common sense. Nothing beats that, sir. Nothing can beat that. Never. Never. Nothing can beat that. Read this. A 25 days, B 30 days, alternate basis. So first things first, before I even read it, whatever. Sir, efficiency ratio, total work. Sir, I'm doing it directly. 25 days, 5 fives are this, 30 days, 5 6 are this. And you write opposite. Efficiency ratio is 1 by time ratio. So 6 here, 5 here. This is your efficiency ratio, sir. Done. And total work I can write 6 units every day for A into 25 days it takes. So total 150 units. Now my real question starts. They work on alternate basis starting with A. Both A and B follow this pattern for 5 days and they in A leaves the work. Sir, think 5 days starting with A. A, B, A, B, A. Then A has left. You don't need to apply any concept. Just think how many days A has worked? 3 days. How many days B has worked? 2 days. So how much work has been done in these 5 days? Sir, A can work 6 units every day. So 3 into 6. And B can do 5 units every day. So 2 into 5. Because B has worked for 2 days. This much work has been done. So 18 plus 10, 28 units. So remaining work will be how much, sir? Sir, 150 minus 28. 150 minus 28, which is 122 units. Sir, who will do this remaining work? Sir, A has left. So B will do this. So B, how much time? How much time B will take, sir? 122 divided by the efficiency of B, which is 5. So which is 24.4 days. 24.4 days. So the options are given in terms of fractions. So 24 whole 2 by 5 days. Option number 1, sir. Again, you see, this was alternate concept, but again, not really an alternate concept question. Very simple question. Asked in CGL 2023. Use common sense. Again, if you start using the code of alternate concept, again, you don't need it. Just simply you can do it manually. Simple question. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Some pure alternate question. Thoda, like, let's level this up. Again, I've taken a question from 2023 itself. Let's level this up. Sir, A, B, and C, 30, 40, 50, 3%. Okay. So first things first. Sir, total work efficiency. A is to B is to C. So time ratio is 3 is to 4 is to 5. So again, efficiency ratio will be the inverse. So the shortcut of inverse ratio, instead of 3, you multiply the other two. 4 into 5, 20. 4 into 5, 20, sir. Then 3 into 5, sir, 15. Then 3 into 4, sir, 12. This is the efficiency ratio. Again, if you don't know, go through my ratio proportion ratio videos. This is the shorter way, the shortest way to write inverse ratio. Instead of one value, multiply the other two. Instead of 3, multiply 5 and 4. Instead of 4, multiply 5 and 3. Instead of 5, multiply 4 and 3. That's the best way. Now, sir, what is the total work, sir? Sir, A can do 20 units a day and takes 30 days to complete. So total work is 600 units. Now, looking at the values, I can say, sir, this will be a little on the lengthier side. Now, if A, B, and C can do the work alternatively, beginning with A, sir. So, the pattern looks A, B, C. Then A, B, C. Then A, B, C, and continues. Make your packet. One packet, sir, identical packets, looks like this. Identical packets which looks like this. If you do this, every packet is of how many days? 3 days. And total, how many units? 20, 15, 35 plus this, 47 units. 47 units is being done every packet. Now the question is, how many packets should I need to take? Because the value is a little on the bigger side. But again, please understand, you can have the idea from the options. Every packet is 3 days. So 3 12s are this, plus something. One option is there 3 13s, but again, most probably 12 will be this. Let's check. If 12 it passes, then I'll take 13. So I will start by taking 12 such packets. 12 such packets is equal to how much, implies how much work? 47 units every packet into 12, which is 470, 47 into 10 plus 47 twos are 94. So 570 minus 6, 560, sorry, 564, sir, units. Done. So remaining work, so remaining is 36 units. Now, this is where the real game starts. Who will do this 36 units? Sir, this 36 units, again, after a packet ends, next day who will come? A. Next to that day, B, then C, and so on. Sir, first day, out of this 36 units, first day A will come and complete 20 out of those 36 units. So 20 done, 16 remaining, one extra day. Plus, next day B will come and complete 15 out of those units. So one unit remaining, but again, plus one. B has worked for another day. And this one unit will be done by C, who will take 1 by 12 days, because C can do 12 units in a day. So total answer will be 12 packets. Total answer will be 12 packets. Every packet is of 3 days plus 1 plus 1 plus this 1 by 12 days. So 36 plus 2, 38 whole 1 by 12 days. That's your answer, sir. Sir, option number 1 once again. Option number 1 once again is your correct answer. Please see, this was a very, 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 very good question. Very good question, sir. If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, sir. Perfect, everyone. Simple question, but again, very easily you can do it. So let's do one more. Let's do one more. Sir, this type. Sir, Raju, Sunil, Vishal. Again, the values are very simple. And again, I told you, whatever you do first, Raju, Sunil, Vishal. Sir, efficiency ratios. Instead of 2, 3 into 4, 12 is 2. So 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 2, 6. This is efficiency ratio. But again, I can cancel. So 2, if you do 2 6 are this, 2 4s are this, 2 3s are this. This is the actual ratio I'll use. Total work, sir. Let's take Raju. 6 units every day takes 20 days. So meaning 120 units. Now my actual game begins. Raju can finish the work if he is assisted by Sunil and Vishal on alternate days. Acha, sir. Starting with Sunil. So Raju is working every day. Understand the packets. Sir, first day Sunil is assisting, then next day Vishal, then Sunil, then Vishal, then Sunil, then Vishal, and so on. Make your packets. Sir, again, identical. That's the only condition. Can you see? Very good looking packets. Very good looking packets. Every packet is of 2 days each. Right? And sir, total how much? Sir, 2 days Raju's work. Total how many units? 2 days Raju's work is 12. 1 day Sunil, 1 day Vishal. So 7 and this are 19 units every day. Now I need to get to 120 units. I need to get to 120 units. Sir, I'll take how many packets? I'll take six such packets. I will take 6 such packets, sir. Right? So that implies how much? 6 into 19 units. Perfect, sir. So that is 114 units. Done. So remaining is 6 units. So those 6 units will be done by whom? Because once every packet ends, next day who will come to work? Raju and Sunil. So Raju and Sunil will work the next day. Their combined efficiency will be 6 plus 4, 10 units. So in order to complete 6 units, they will take 6 by 10 days, which is 3 by 5 days. So the total time of completion is going to be how much? Sir, total 6 packets. Every packet is of 2 days, meaning 6 into 2 plus 3 by 5, meaning 12 whole 3 by 5 days. Done and dusted. Again, sir, option number 1 is the answer. Again, option number 1 is your correct answer. And you see, these questions are a little bit on the critical side, but again, very, 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 very important questions. Gets repeated almost every year. Not almost, it gets repeated, and both in prelims and mains. Tier 1, Tier 2, you will get these questions everywhere. So please understand the concept and practice accordingly. I hope this was helpful to each and every one of you. You have understood the concepts, and if you have any queries, again, feel free to ask. I'll be more than happy to assist you with that. So again, if you have any queries, put it down in the comment section, and any feedback, again, put it down in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply back to you guys. Again, that will be it for the class. Thank you. Take care, and bye-bye from my end.